bake Swiss chard chips, you will need the following: some salt, olive oil, and some Swiss chard. Oh, it looks like I need to go harvest some leaves. I'll be right back. Now that we have our Swiss chard, we can get started. Swiss chard is one of those vegetables that will grow about anywhere you plant it. The current plants I have are in a container against the north-facing wall, so you can see how prolific it is even if you have a black thumb. To start, use a knife to cut off the stems. Oh, it looks like I forgot to wash off the leaves. Go wash off the leaves of the Swiss chard in water. Using the knife again, slice the Swiss chard leaves into smaller pieces. Spray down a baking sheet with some non-stick cooking spray. Place the leaves onto the baking tray. It is okay to overcrowd the pieces as they will shrink when they are baked. Lightly brush olive oil onto the leaves. It really helps to have a brush when you do this. Now sprinkle salt over the leaves. You are ready to bake. I will be baking these in my toaster oven today. I've set the heat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. These chips should be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes of baking. Awesome, the Swiss chard chips are done and are ready to eat. Now how about a taste test to see how they turned out? Hey there! As you're watching me enjoy these Swiss chard chips, please like this video and consider subscribing if you would like to see more tutorials like this in the future. See you next time!